Welcome to our channel. Today we how to download Trello Power-Ups for reporting and stakeholder updates, detailed guide step by step clearly. To begin, open your web browser and navigate to the Trello website. Log into your Trello account using your credentials. Once logged in, select the board where you want to enable Power-Ups. Locate the Show menu button on the right side of the screen and click on it. In the menu that appears, find and select Power-Ups. This will bring you to the Power-Ups directory. You can browse through the featured Power-Ups or use the search bar to find specific ones. For reporting and stakeholder updates, consider Power-Ups like the dashcards or reporting Power-Up. Click on the Power-Up you're interested in. On the Details page, look for the Add button and click it to enable the Power-Up on your board. Once added, you'll see a confirmation message indicating the Power-Up is now active. Return to your board by clicking the board name at the top of the page. To configure the new Power-Up, find its icon in the Power-Ups menu on the right. Click on the icon to open its settings. Follow any additional setup instructions specific to the Power-Up you selected. You may need to link it to other tools or specify the data you want to pull for reporting. After configuration, you can start using the Power-Up features directly on your board. Update your cards and boards as necessary to utilize the reporting capabilities effectively. Keep track of any insights generated from the Power-Up for your stakeholder updates. Regularly review and adjust your Power-Up settings to ensure optimal performance. This will help you maintain accurate reporting and keep stakeholders informed. Remember to explore other Power-Ups that may further enhance your productivity and reporting capabilities. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.